In this video, I explain how to get your money back from DoorDash when you cancel order. The process is straightforward, so just follow each step carefully. To find the option for cancelling a DoorDash order and receiving a refund, start by opening the DoorDash app and looking through your recently placed orders. From the app's home screen, check the navigation bar at the bottom and select the Orders section. If you have several orders listed, be sure to choose the correct one. If there is only one order, you should see the Help option at the top right automatically. After selecting Help, you'll see several options related to that specific order. One of them will be related to cancellation. You might see a question like, "Can I cancel this order?" or a button labeled something similar to Cancel or Refund. Whichever wording appears, make sure the cancellation option is actually available. If it is, tap it and provide a reason. If you don't see the cancel option or the system won't allow it, then there is unfortunately nothing else you can do. A refund and cancellation can only be issued if the option is still offered. If the option is available, tap Cancel, state your reason, and then choose how you'd like to receive your refund. Typically, cancellation is only possible while the order is still being prepared or hasn't fully processed. Once the driver is already on the way, the cancellation choice usually disappears. When the cancellation goes through successfully, you can pick whether to receive the refund as DoorDash credits or have it returned to your original payment method, which may take a few days. And that completes the process. Thank you for watching.